Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about the only woodstrike in Sri Lanka. The Sri Lanka woodstrike. The Sri Lanka woodstrike is a species of bird in the family Vangidae. It is endemic to Sri Lanka. Small grey songbird with heavy bill, dark mask and white eyebrow. Underparts pale whitish, in flight note white rump. Inhabits wooded areas and shrub in lowland and lower hills, mostly in the dry zone of Sri Lanka. Avoids dense wet forests. It is sometimes considered a subspecies of the common woodstrike. Their calls are like locally named Wana Koyulaspatiya. It is featured in Sri Lankan 25 rupee postal stamp. I have not seen the Sri Lanka woodstrike. One such place you can see it is Sigiriya. Sigiriya is one of Sri Lanka's most popular tourist destinations. That's because Sigiriya was a kingdom ruled by a king who built his castle on top of the Sigiriya rock. Some people consider this the 8th wonder of the world. These are some of the pictures of our trip to Sigiriya. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the orange mini vet.